Hello everyone, this is Suresh and welcome to another session in Google Cloud. So in this lab, we will see about how to data prep using Quick Start. Okay, so basically data preparation uh, using the tasks. Okay, so in this session, we are not going to discuss anything theoretical, but these are all the tasks provided for us, and we are going to start. Okay, so without any delay, let me start the lab. So in the meantime, you can pause the video and go through the overview about how the data prep has will be done. So this data prep will be trifecta using intelligent data service. Okay, and what we are going to do and the setup and those things. Okay, so without any delay, let's start with the lab. The URL paste it over here, copy the password, and we are doing the setup. So let's agree to all the terms and conditions. Okay. Let's see. So we got the right project. You can see it here in the project ID. This is the same project as we logged in. Okay, so let's get started. So at any point you can pause the video and go through the contents over here. And the setup, we just completed the setup. Okay, uh, we have this info. We have logged in successfully. I'm just checking whether we have anything we need to add it over here. Okay, till here we are good. So let's activate the Cloud Shell. So you can see the Cloud Shell. So this will get activated here. So let's wait for this to complete. I'm not sure why this is taking this much time. Typically, it should have been provisioned by this time. And also, I didn't see any terms and conditions popping up. I was expecting the terms and conditions services like accepting the terms, but it didn't show up of anything. Okay, that's fine. So you can see this is the Quick Labs project ID has been successfully provisioned. And you can see, let's do this optional two steps. So we are just going to authorize the list active account with this command. Yeah, you can see the active account and the command and the student ID here. And also the list of projects we can configure. These two are optional steps. You can see the project ID here. So this is the setup. So let me go and put it in a new window. Stop that. Okay, let's start with the task one. Create a cloud storage bucket in your project. Okay, let's navigate, close this here, navigation menu, cloud storage buckets. Create bucket. Bucket name should be unique. So what I will do is like I will go to the cloud shell and take this project ID because this project ID is unique. So I will take this project ID and give the information like bucket. Okay, choose how to control. Okay, so I will leave all other as defaults. This will be a location will be a multi-region standard definition. Sorry, standard storage class, default storage class, public access. Okay, click on create. So this is going to ask uncheck reinforce and click on confirm. Okay, so bucket got created. So task completed. Okay, let's check the progress. Yeah, this bucket is completed. So we have the bucket name as well. Now in the shell, run the following commands. Okay. Gcloud beta services identify create data prep google apis.com. I copied the command. The service identity was created. Service identity created. Check and accept data prep. Okay. Now navigate here. Go to the navigation menu. Let's view all product. What I would do is like let me search data prep. You can see the data prep visual. Basically, it should be available somewhere in the left side, but for time being, I'm just opening this here. So let's accept the terms and conditions by allowing. So agree and allow the project data. Basically, step 5 is also completed. From the left side, you can see step 5 is just finished. So let's wait. Click on your student username in the sign in data. Okay, this is the student ID. So I'm selecting this and click on allowing for the next process. Continue and allowing. So this means this is allowing the cloud data prep by Trifecta. We are allowing the project storage location. So this will be by checking we are agreeing to terms and conditions and click on accept. This will be our default. Click continue on the first time setup screen to create default storage. So let's continue. So you can see the project and everything. So looking good. So let's check the progress. Yeah, this is completed. Now task 3 is to create a flow. So either we can create flow over here, or you can click create a new flow. Anything is fine. So let me create a flow, and this is a blank. Click on untitled. Okay, from the FEC 2016, name the flow as FEC 2016. Okay, I will copy this so that I won't do any mistakes. So flow description is done. One open, looks good. Now task 4 is to import the data. So for this, click on add data sets. Select the import data sets. I don't see import data sets link over here. Okay, here it is. Import data sets. From the left side of menu, Google's Cloud Storage. Then click on pencil edit. That's okay. So which one? Okay, click on this edit. Type GS. You can see the step 3 SPLS/3SP105. Choose the folder. Okay, click on go. Okay, we have this. Click US. And plus icon next to CN 2016 TXT. CN. Okay, this is the file. CN 2016 TXT. and rename. How do I rename this? Click on the title in the data set in the right pane and rename to Candidate Master 2026. Candidate Master 2016. In the same way, add the IT on 2016. Expand this. Okay, here I can do some. Because of the screen. Okay, let me read the name first. I can search it. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. I have been doing in the long way. My bad. Let me search it over here. Okay, now click on plus and change the name to Campaign Contributions 2016. Okay, both data sets are listed. I will remove the txt because they have removed the txt. It's just a name, not the file name. Okay, important. Add to proof. Okay, this is loading. Let's wait. Yeah, I think I removed the txt.txt extension. So let's. Okay, prep the candidate file. By default, the candidate master 2016 dataset is selected. Okay, edit recipe. Where is it? It's the cloud storage. Okay, candidate master 2026. Okay, 2016. My bad. 2016. Okay, okay. Click on edit recipe. The candidate master transformers page opens in a grid view. Yeah, looking good. Page is where you build your transformation and you see the results. Each columns, each column heads have a name and a value that specify the type. To see the data types, click on the column icon. Okay, here it is. So data types. This is date and time. Okay, also date and time. Okay, we can see this columns. So this is this is date and time. These are all strings, and this is okay. What is okay? We have about 15 columns and 4 data types. You can see the bottom. Some information is provided for us. Okay, fine. So notice also when you click on the name column, details pane opens on the right. Okay, this is what opens on the right. For example, if I select column year, okay, yeah, you can see there are number of unique values and some information about it. So details panel in the following steps. Column prime provides 1990 to 2064. widen one, select the tallest pin, which represents the year 2016. Yeah, perfect. So you can see the tallest pin is 2016 within the range. Hmm. In the suggestions panel, okay, here we have the suggestions panel. In the keep rows section, add. Okay, let's click on add. So this has been added to our recipe. Keep rows away 2016. Okay. In column 6, next step is on column 6. We have states. We have mismatched 1136 mismatches. Okay. So let me try to select it. Yes, mismatch I have selected. Scroll down to correct the mismatch. Click on X on suggestions panel to cancel the transformation. Click on the flag icon and change it to string. Now change to string is done. There is no longer mismatch. Now that it is gone, there is no longer mismatch. Filter on the just to the presidential candidates column 7. That have the value P. Filter just the presidential candidates. Okay, in column 7, we can see some. Okay, filter on top of the presidential candidates. Okay, in column 7. Here, which has those records have column B in column 7. In the histogram column 7, over the two bins to see column H, and which is P. Click on P bin. Okay, in the right suggestion panel, add to accept the step on the recipe where column 7 equal to P. Okay. Now in task 7, wrangle the contribution file and join to the candidates file. Join page. Okay. Before you join the contribution files to the candidates file, clean up the contribution file. Click on where should I click? APC 2016. Select the campaign contribution 2016. Add recipe. Edit recipe. Add new step. remove the extra t-millimeters. Insert the following language in the command search box. Okay, this is what we got, and click on add. Add another new step in the recipe. Click on new step. Okay, on new step. Join in the search box. Join data sets. Click on candidate master 2016. Accept. On the right side, go on the pencil icon, edit. That is for column 9. Okay. Plus common key values. There are many common values in data. Suggest join the add key panel. Don't see. Okay, join add key. Okay. Column 9 and column 3, column 2 and 11. Okay. Column 2 equal to column 1. Okay, I did the click, but I didn't see anything happening here. Okay, column 2 and column 11 got selected. Okay, here in top. And click on save and continue. In next, click next. Check the checkbox to the left column. Label to add all columns. Okay. Click review. Task 7. Okay, add a recipe. Add to recipe. This done. Generate a useful summary to aggregate averaging and continuing contributions in column 16. Go and see the column 16. Here it is. At the top of the dataset, click on new step. Enter the following formula in the transformations search box to view the aggregate output. Pivot. Okay. Review is done. Representing the summary of US presidential candidates. Hmm. The candidates' names as well. This is just a, how do I scroll this? Column 24. Okay. Click on add. Now task 8 is to rename. Add each of the renaming and rounding steps individually to the recipe by clicking on new step. Okay, changing the column 24 to candidate name, column 8 to column 2 to candidate ID. Okay. So renaming is done. Column 8 is party affiliation, and column 16 to total contribution sum and all the details. You can pause and click on add. Okay, change is done. We can see the above and add in the last new step, average contribution amount. Okay. on add. The results looks like this. Okay, so this completes our session. So again, this is the kind of uh, uh, boring because I didn't explore much of the data scopes here. So this is how the data preparation will be done. But you can pause the video at any point and slowly go through this. You can see many options and new features has been provided for us. So you can see the score is also 100 by 100. So this concludes our session. So it took about 50 minutes to conclude all this. So it's only a 10 minutes left. So I didn't get into much of the details. The reason is the time to rename it. No point in renaming, but if you want to rename it, you can do it as well. Okay, thank you for joining. Have a great day. Bye.